I have so many emails. Work never stops.
Dad, the Wi-Fi is slow. Fix it, please.
Hello, everyone. Put down your screens. I have a surprise.
Not now, Lisa. I am busy.
No. Listen to me. We are going on a vacation. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Where? Is it Disney World?
No, we are going to the jungle in Costa Rica.
The jungle? Are you crazy? It is hot. There are bugs. There are snakes.
John, we need this. We never talk. We just look at screens. We need nature.
But Mom, does the jungle have 5G?
No internet. Just us.
This is the end of my life.
Hola! Welcome to the Green Paradise. I am Carlos, your guide.
Hi, Carlos. Is it always this hot?
Yes! This is the tropical rainforest. It is full of life.
No signal. 0 bars. Mom, I cannot post my selfie.
Emma, look at the trees. Look at the flowers. It is better than a screen.
Okay, family, put your bags in the cabin. In 10 minutes, we start our first trek. Wear good shoes.
I don't like this. It is too quiet and too loud at the same time.
Relax, John. Be an adventurer.
Be careful. Don't touch the red plants. They are itchy.
Whoa! Okay, no touching.
My sneakers are getting dirty. Ugh.
Stop! Look there.
Is it a tiger?
No, there are no tigers here. It is a monkey. A howler monkey.
What was that?
That is his voice. He says, hello.
That is a very aggressive hello.
It is cute. It looks like Dad in the morning. Emma? Be nice. Okay, that was actually cool. It is so dark. I can't sleep.
It is peaceful, Emma. Listen to the nature.
I am ready.
Ready for what, John?
Ready for the bugs. I saw a spider in the bathroom. It was the size of a pizza.
Dad, stop! You are scaring me!
What was that? They are attacking!
John, sit down. It is probably a fruit falling from a tree.
Or a giant fruit-eating bat. Or a zombie monkey.
Dad, you are ridiculous.
Emma is laughing. We are having fun.
I am glad my fear is funny to you.
Today, we will have a picnic by the waterfall. But first, we must cross this river.
Cross it? How? There is no bridge.
We walk on these stones. Follow me.
This is easy.
Okay, here I go, the brave explorer.
Whoa!
John, are you okay?
I am fine. I just wanted to check the water temperature. It is refreshing.
Dad, you look like a dancing duck.
Good job, Mr. John. You are now one with nature.
Okay, I have sandwiches and fresh pineapple.
Yum! I am hungry.
Hey, he stole our lunch.
My sandwich! Come back here, you little thief! Give me back my ham and cheese! I am sorry. The monkeys are very smart here. They love tourist food.
It is okay. We have the pineapple, right?
Yes. And I have some energy bars in my pocket.
This is crazy. A monkey stole my lunch. Wait until I tell my friends. You can tell them later. Right now, just enjoy the moment.
You know what? I am not even mad.
This is funny.
Welcome to the Secret Falls.